Today we're gonna make this traditional Greek lamb dish, lamb kleftiko. To get started on making our lamb kleftiko, we're gonna start with lamb. So here we have 3 pounds of lamb. These are lamb with the bone. You can buy them. Lamb for stewing, it has the bone in it. They come in chunks, or if they're in steaks, you can just cut them up. So we have that here on the side. We have peppers. You can do 2 green peppers, 2 red, whatever you like. An onion, we have 6 potatoes, lemon, olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, and oregano. And that's it, and some gefilaveta cheese. So we're gonna mix this all together. We're gonna put it in an oven bag, which makes it so easy. A lot of times you'll make this recipe with parchment paper, but when you're baking something in the oven for a really long time, it does leave your pan messy and it's hard to clean. So I'm gonna try this new idea on doing it in an oven bag so we don't have any mess. So let's get started with cutting up our ingredients here. So we're gonna cut our potatoes, and we're just gonna do them in bigger chunks. So just like this, and we'll have them ready on the side. And this is a great idea to do. It's a traditional Greek dish, but this is great for another idea for Easter, because for Greek Easter, the tradition is a whole lamb. I've done a recipe for lamb leg before. I've also done lamb shank for you guys, so you could try all of those recipes on my YouTube, and they are on my website. But I always like to give you a different variety of lamb, you know? So we've done lamb chops. That's also a great idea. But this one is a different dish. So this one is just a lot of just time for prepping, just cutting your ingredients, but then all you have to do is let it bake in the oven. Next, we have our peppers. Cut off the top. And again, these we're gonna cut in bigger chunks as well because they're baking in the oven for a long time. So we'll leave those in big cubes there. So the onion, we're gonna cut the same way we've done all the other vegetables, just in bigger chunks. So in half, again in half, and then just those big cubes. That's ready. Now we have all of our vegetables cut. Now it's just our cheese. So our cheese, the same thing with our gefilaveta cheese. We're gonna take this and we're just gonna do, this one's a hard cheese. We're gonna cut it in big cubes too. So now we're gonna mix all of our ingredients together. Nice big bowl. I'm gonna add our lamb first. Potatoes. Peppers. Our onions. Our cheese. We're going to cut the one lemon in half and squeeze that on top. We're going to do half a cup of olive oil. We're going to do minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and now we're gonna mix it all together. We wanna get all the olive oil, lemon, all of our spices all over our meat and our vegetables. Look how colorful and beautiful that looks already. So I preheated the oven at 375. I have a ceramic baking dish right here. We're gonna use this big oven bag today. I wanna try this. So this big, large oven bag, I'll link where you can purchase this. And we're gonna put all of these ingredients in the oven bag. Everything in this big oven bag here. Or take it like this. Take the little tie that it comes with. There we go. Perfect. Look at that. We're gonna put this right in the oven. So we've cooked this for about 2.5 hours. It smells delicious. So I'm gonna put this right down here and I'm gonna transfer this into this big bowl. So we're gonna take scissors. Look at this, no mess. Amazing. Oven bag to the rescue. All that steam. Wow, look at that, tender lamb. Wow. It smells so rich and delicious. Look at that. Can't wait to dig into this dish. For the full recipe, visit nikkicleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.